Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, if you're new to the channel, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, with the information now being revealed to the public, it's being suspected that Leoda Bradshaw, after orchestrating the murder of Phillip Paulwell's other baby mother and his young child, tried to frame Paulwell, and by using one of Paulwell's vehicle, by sending him cryptic emails, she wanted law enforcement to believe Paulwell was involved. And maybe if it wasn't for the confession and for law enforcement coming out and saying that all the individuals involved in the murder have been arrested and charges have been brought against all of them, people that still believe that Paulwell had some involvement. Now people are saying the woman that called in to Miss Coran's show is probably the only person who seemed to have had inside information about the crime and was also maybe attempting, allegedly, to implicate Paulwell in the crime as well. Let me continue what go on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Thing about the Phillip Paulwell murder case, are you sure are the most important part? Did you know say even the lady that will come for your show the night, she knows the murder they go on before it go on?
Well, you see, Ellie, I never knew who she was before.
Me know.
I never knew. But she did implicate herself, and she did implicate Leoda.
Yes.
In it, but she also implicated Phillip Paulwell.
Yeah, because what Leona do know, Leona knows say through them the mother said tell police that the daughter go with her. So what she do now, she pay that girl there now to come talk like Phillip Paulwell apartheid to take the case off of Leona. But the girl don't know how to chat good. So you see, through your journalistical smartness, I draw it out of her, you know. I don't know if you know say you do it or you do it for spite, you know, for drag it out of the girl.
No man, we draw it right out, because as I said, I wasn't there to take sides. I was there to hear what people have to say and talk what they know.
Eh?
You understand? So, yeah, my sister, she implicates herself and she no longer communicated with me. So, you know, that is that. But, you know, the case is moving very, very fast, LA, and a lot of top attorneys are covering everybody. That me not understand.
Yeah. Because, me tell you, say, Leone was sent. They will find a good way of it, make the Nella sacrifice and go on. So they use Phillip Paulwell as a scapegoat. Because I want me to come tell you to say, Andrew Wallace get the money. And
But Ellie, when I'm not him is a scapegoat, your baby mother, no, Ellie Louis, no. Emperor, anyone of your baby mother can run them kind of joke? No, anyone of your baby mother can run certain joke with your picnic then?
no, but you are going now.
Right, wait there, Ellie. You know what I'm saying him guilty for? He harboring these type of minded women round him. Be a big man we can't run him out.
Shelly, let me tell you something, Shelly.
Me have a problem. Me have a problem.
Yeah, Shelly, me find him guilty for the part that too. And I let you tell. Yes.
No lie me a tell.
Surely. Yeah, man, I find him guilty for the part that too, Shelly, but you are going now. You see more time when some girl come to you with some cock up body and some pretty face and some nice waist. Them crap you. So I don't know no man because you are going the baby mother them eat that because the baby mother them make people get in them head. So it was good at first, but when time the baby mother make the little dirty friend get in there, but Lord gosh good you know, say the girl take a feed out and the girl have Paulwell. And so no, so you can't blame Paulwell for the part there, Shirley.
Yeah, but the man could be a grandfather, so him definitely listen
In
to
a
me.
busy Shelly, the grandfather now wear again, Shelly. Shelly, grandfather now wear again. If an old man want a young girl.
Let me tell you this now. It's
That the
because
door if you're coming,
we're
yes,
used to, and it's not only him. I'm also
Yes,
talking
me know, but
to
like the school, me soon gonna come in. Yes.
I
Let me
am
do
also
that.
talking to our Prime Minister, right? Jamaica, our morals are so low that even our politicians who are 5 women in a bungle, 6 women in a bungle, if the Prime Minister, look how much name get mixed up on the Prime Minister. No, if it was a country, any other country.
Well on there, Shelly. Where you say, well on there, Shelly. Where you say Andrew Wallace name call upon different girl?
Yeah, but no young girl though.
Oh, hold on, man. Alright, old foot. Alright, yeah, him have no rating to say. As some young foot now, we're gonna get ready. Then,
And some mid-age, and them not old, and them not young. So me can't.
so hold on there, So none of them act like how you act, body cock up face, pretty everything, and the big breast and none of them.
Yeah, be a brown in Ingoppa.
Oh, boy. That's why Juliet.
Yeah.
My young Juliet in a war, you know.
I love Juliet, you know, I love Juliet like how you love Juliet.
Shelly, hey, girl, Shelly, I see you have mixed up, you know. Who did tell us about love Juliet?
You love Juliet. Everybody know you love Juliet.
Shelly, alright.
I'm rate Juliet, you know.
Alright, you skip that part. They could go past somebody different there. Take out Juliet at that thing. What you say now about Andrew now?
Yeah, Andrew, because I'm saying he's still there with Rhoda. But I'm just saying, if this was a different country.
But you what me like now? You see it? Look, you see how things go now? Remember say Rhoda ugly, you know, Rhoda in a Juliet class, but you don't say Juliet will kill nobody.
Yeah, because bro God run him out. And nobody now remember said no care Juliet don't like her, she can't do frowns up her face. That means say Andrew can manage the country. If Phillip Paulwell can go do certain things for him own picnic, it don't look good for him. I know your friend. And
No.
he is my father. Listen,
Back up there. You know, so as much as me and Andrew Wells war, me and Andrew Wells are more friend than Phillip Paulwell, I swear to God.
Anyway, we can give you something. You know, my father drive Phillip Paulwell on his first marriage. Because people don't know, and some people don't know. It's not 1 or 2 times, it's 2 times he married. The first wedding. So if somebody, whatever, so I have to learn to call things the way they are.
True.
And it's not that me don't like him as a person, but I am saying I don't like that this could have come under your umbrella. It makes me wonder if you never see what kind of psychotic creature you did there with. And you have people business and stuff, and I just think that it's too much right now for him
Yo,
to
Charlie, me agree with you part there, because you are going now. When a man, me tell you something, Charlie, me tell you, when we're in the country, it have to go on. We have to have a thing named girl resume. Before you do with a girl, she will bring in a resume come. And you find what man she used to there, if she having a mental problem, if she having a, you're right to the part there, you have to wear a girl resume.
Leoda has been a liar for many years, and she remember say she just come from the case and we find out say, we don't even know if she's a liar yet.
Not a liar yet.
We're even sure if she's a liar.
No, I was a mosquito and a liar too. Mosquito still on the train, you know. She's not a liar yet.
We never talk about mosquito, we talk about Leoda.
Oh, yeah. Oh, right. So, come on, mosquito over me. Mosquito drop, mosquito name drop everything. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, the mosquito science me. Oh, mosquito name call a Leoda thing.
Yeah, me don't know, but so you just say different thing. You know, sister Andre, I say apologize to all the people them when tape.
Listen me. Didn't I tell us a judgment to reach Angier when they come up from my office?
Yes.
Him can't raise the mighty shell and Quran. You are feeding much poor people. You are taking care of much people. How are you, Shelly? Nobody can rise against your pastor. What's the emperor?
People make me change them life and all of this and all of that. Yeah, me see the judgment I reach.
I don't mean to tell you to come to him.
Yeah, you tell me.
Alright.
And Mr. go come, he must go cut down and humble himself.
And I'm going to find a girl now who out of the body business. Yeah, and a joke.
Yeah, but no, me hear you watch your program, me hear you say it. Me hear you say it, me hear.
And if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you now will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.